Hello guys, today we'll show you how to seize the fire hose using this seizing tool. As you can see over here, this seizing tool usually commonly found on our ships, one type only, and you need a pair of scissors, this seizing tool, and this one nozzle, and this is the resin solution, this is adhesive, and one plier and your fire hose. Here we have cut our fire hose. On this we'll put a nozzle, the coupling. So first guys, you need to put this, as you can see how I am putting on the wedge. Just put it here and tightly tight it. There is one, you can show here, there is one, you can see over here is nut. Just keep it loose, and then you take your fire hose. First you take your coupling, put your coupling on this, and for this adjusting you have this key over here, so you can increase or decrease the size as you like. So now I put it inside and make it tight, and then you can remove this key, and then now we'll apply some resin solution and put our hose from here. Stop. I don't want to show myself. You can see here how I am applying this rubber solution here, adhesive, so it should strongly seize the hose, hold the hose here before we start to seize. Here little bit, and after that you can apply on your hose this rubber solution here inside little bit, like this, very easily. So it's done, and then we will put it over the coupling, as you can see here. Now done. Stop. So here you can see this is the seizing tool. You pull out this wire, make it loose from here, pull out this wire, put it inside this hole. You need to turn also, my friend, with me. Here you see this hole, loosen this hole, put your seizing wire inside, like this, and tight this one, so it will be holding here like this and like this. And then you pull out your this wire and search for the end part of this coupling. So here is my end part, so I will start to seize from here. So do like this here, and then take one turn, and after that you need to tight from here. As you can see this nut, otherwise it will be loose, so we need to tight it first and then pull out, so it will be fully tight, like tight. And then you adjust this one initially from where you need a cut. Here is the gap, so here I will start to seize my hose from here. So here, and then one turn and pull out, and easy like this. As you can see, it should come together, there should be no spacing and should be tight, so you can adjust from here. It should always move little bit tighter, so it should come in a level. As you can see, we will approximately take 5 to 6 turns over here. As you can see, I am taking here, adjusting here, tightening it. You can see here, one more, and from bottom also it should come like in similarity, as you can see coming over here, and one more.
Now I see you.
So after this you open it from here, take out this and pull it like this, make a cross. Better to hold a plier, hold it with a plier and go like this and pull it. So you make a lock here, this, take about 4-5 turn like this, and then put it over here on this side. Again we need to do the same thing. We'll hammer this part, take a hammer and do little bit hammering so it is fully tight over here. Now again you will keep this wire on the bottom and start from here. You can see again there is a depth here, there is a cut, so I will start from here. Again same thing, very easy. Make it tight. Pause. As you can see guys, I have taken 5-7 turns here approximately. Okay, this is not too much symmetrical because of the video, but it should come little bit more symmetrical. Then you have this loose end here, take a plier, again go and make like a cross tightly. Cut this from here, as we do not require this anymore. And then take one end, like here. Stop. As you can see guys, here it is now. I have locked it. So you take a hammer and little bit hammer it so that you know it tightly grabs over the coupling. And that's it guys. Like this you can seize your hose, and after that put some tape or black tape, you know, electrical tape over it so it looks nice, and like this you can seize your hose. Thank you guys.